welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Welcome on.
But today we're going to get straight into the hot topics because we just came back from the film Jujutsu Kaisen. We were watching it at the Cinemark, and I must say it was a spot-on film.
It was really, really good. The animation was on point, and the storyline was fantastic.
But we're going to move straight into our hot topics, starting it off with Kanye West. Now, Kanye West, it's looking bad for you. Pissy Pete has released new photos onto the internet, and he looks like a homosexual, Dr. Ross. But that's just my opinions.
And Kim has officially denounced Kanye. She is separating herself from any rumors that you may have thought Kim and Kanye, there's a chance. She's disqualified all of them. She went on Ellen and she said that she's looked high and low for this dude named Pissy Pete.
And you know, we talked about this on the last episode of Rose and Gold too.
That's right.
But Kanye, players get played. And you, my friend,
played.
You got played. But that's how it goes. I mean, Kim went to this is a metaphor. Kim went to the used car lot and got the worst car there with flat tires. That's
right.
Pissy Pete. And while she's at it, she should get his eyes fixed too. I know they can do
liver issues.
They can do some SNL makeup on Pissy Pete.
And for our next hot topic, we have Julia Fox being foxy as usual. She was seen recently in a bandeau top and some really, really low-waisted jeans.
You're right about that. She's staying foxy, staying scandalous.
Can you believe that?
And yes, speaking about this topic, Dr. Ross, Julia Fox was asked by an interviewer, is Kanye West going to hurt Kim or Pete Davidson? And she responded back with, Kanye West is harmless. Now, our opinions on this is he wears rain boots.
That's right.
And workers' gloves. I think he's going to till the garden, Dr. Ross. But enough of that already.
Yes, sir.
We're going to get into our next hot topic, which is the She's Hot contest.
That's right.
Now, our winner for this week was gone for a while, but she has made her comeback. Her name is Avril Lavigne.
Congratulations.
Congratulations on your win. But we're getting to our next hot topic, and we're going to keep it short and sweet with Coco. But yes, Coco has actually been saying that she went on a date with
Trey Songz.
Yes.
So that should be a little bit interesting. I'm just glad that she's finally moving on from Tristan Thompson after he's repeatedly begged her to get away from him. So I'm proud that she's moving on.
And you know, Dr. Ross, I'm proud that she's finally moving away from basketball players.
That's right. She's finally getting someone that's outside of the basketball circle.
And this is a good thing. It's a step up. But our next topic for the Kardashians is
Kendall Jenner. She recently went ginger, so she dyed her hair a very, very light tone of red.
And you know, Dr. Ross, someone may have told her that gentlemen prefer blondes. In my opinion, it just doesn't work on you.
Exactly.
I think it works on someone else, but for you, you look better with black hair.
Like Kristen Durst from, Mary Jane when she went from blonde to redhead. Now that actually looked really good. But Kendall, you looked better with your natural hair.
Exactly, right on. But these were all of our hot topics, and we're going to catch you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold because we have things to do and places to be.
And a movie to film.
Exactly. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and share this video to all of your friends and family, as well as leave your thoughts in the comment section down below.
That's right.
But we'll see you guys in the next episode of Rose and Gold.